Hello, my name is Jerome and welcome to my Kabolite station. Today I'm going to talk about modifying a Kabolite K963 crawler front end loader. And let me show you the problem I've been discovering. On this piece of equipment, this bar right here, I feel is too short. And the reason I say that is because this is the maximum level that the angle will be when I'm trying to dump the dirt out of it. And a consequence of that is a lot of the time less than half the bucket full of dirt will actually fall out. So I got my angle gauge here, and it shows that this is a 30-degree angle. Not nearly enough. It would be better if this was at a 90-degree angle, forcing all of the dirt to fall out. So what I'm going to do, actually what I've done, this here, I 3D printed another piece that's longer. And I'm going to replace this piece here with this 3D printed piece and hopefully get a much stronger angle of the bucket to release the dirt. And I'll show you the process of me doing that. The first thing that I have to do in removing this piece is remove this part here and remove the part right here. So in order to access this part, I have to change the bucket position. So from under here, I'm able to access the screw and remove the screw. And this tool here came with my Kabolite excavator. Next, to remove this top piece, there's a little clip that I should be able to pop out with a small screwdriver. And I got it out and dropped it on the table. Trying to show it to you. Where are we at? Okay, that's the little clip right there. And so now I can push this piece out. And pull this piece out. And here is the bone, which I call the dog bone. And next to it is the piece that I 3D printed. You can see it's longer. So I will install the new piece. Grab my little screw. Get my clip on. in. There we go. All right. All right, we got more motion down. Now let's measure it. So I went from a 30-degree tilt to a 62-degree tilt. So this should be much, much better at releasing the dirt. So I will show you that in an upcoming digging video. In the meantime, if you have any questions, write it in the comments. If you like what you saw, please click like, and I will talk to you later.